How to change your privacy settings on Roblox to join private server. Welcome to Let Me Help, and let's get right into this tutorial. To change your privacy settings, firstly log in into your Roblox account. Once logged in your left-hand corner, select on the More option. Navigate to the settings gear icon from here. Tap on where it says Account Info and tap on it. Head on and select on Privacy. Now in here on the communication, we need to make sure that all of it is set on friends. If any of the option is set on no one, just click on the drop down icon of it and set it as everyone. We have to do so to make sure our account is as public as possible since there is no designated option for it. So just go ahead and set on every option to everyone or friends. We also have to make sure that our activity status is visible for our friends. For that, just select on the activity status in the other setting option. From here, select on the Yes button and set it the rest of the option to everyone. By this way, you'll be able to change your privacy setting on Roblox to join private server. It's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.